I'm here at the Colorado Railroad Museum, and here's a kind of rolling stock or motive power, whatever you want to call it, that you don't see too often. This is the Galloping Goose. I've seen this online in pictures, but never saw it up close. How cool is that? Dual wheels in front. Still has a gear shift lever on the floor down in there. But instead of a steering wheel, you have a lever over here that controls it. Controls your speed. And how about that? It's got chain drive down here on the trucks. And there's another version of it over there.
What's this thing used for?
Road inspection, taking mine owners up to the mines. Look at this one here. This is basically a flathead truck, a flatbed truck, set up with a plow on it.
Yep.
How cool is that?
Hey, stay there. Or run away.
For you guys that are into super detailing your rolling stock, here's the caboose all set up for kitchen facilities. Can't imagine how hot it would be in here in the summer if you had a wood stove going. But it would be good in the wintertime. There's a little cupola up inside. Yeah, pretty cool. Beadboard siding and tin covered countertops. Yeah, cool stuff. One of my all-time favorite styles of engine. Complete with a B unit. I still don't know how to tell if, oh well, I can tell on this one. It says right on the side, it's an F9. Yeah. Very cool. And we're getting up close and personal with a turntable here. And this particular turntable is operated by hand. And my sister Elaine is going to stand over there behind the push bar. Yeah, this is my older sister. We're out here in Colorado for a family reunion, and that's exactly how they do it. They push it by hand. We saw a video inside the museum with a guy pushing it around with a steam-powered locomotive sitting on it. You wouldn't think that one person could push that thing, but he did. And you get an idea of some of the different kinds of motive power they got sitting up here.
They don't make things like this to last anymore.
And rolling stock, old wooden ones that are kind of rusted away. Some combination steel ended. that one? Waiting for restoration. An old passenger car here. Again, waiting for restoration. We're out front of the roundhouse. Pretty cool, I'll tell you. Look at this little dude. Says it's a Plymouth. That's what it says. I doubt if it has a slant 6 in it though. What do you think? Just has a pair of wheels, basically one truck. And yeah, look at the catch on it is not articulated. It's just solid steel. Homemade, it looks like. Looks like that thing was cut out with a regular set of oxyacetylene torches. I don't know if you can see inside there. The window's pretty dirty. Pretty cool though. Gotta love it. Golden City and San Juan Railroad, number 3. Here's a passenger vehicle. Looks like it has a fairly recent paint job on the outside. Look at the fancy filigree ironwork on the back of this baby. Got some really cool rolling stock and motive power here. We can't stay for the whole day, but I would suggest if you wanted to come here, a railroad enthusiast ought to come by himself. That's what I think. That way you can take your time and you can look at what you want to look at. Nobody bothering you. I'm with 4 other people, so I gotta get motivating along. Yeah, here I am in front of the turntable at the Colorado Railroad Museum. Thanks for watching. Bye now.